So today was a wonderful day with the birds. This is a short video, but I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscriber. 1,000 people subscribe to my channel, and I will be raffling off 2 birds, meaning as I will be giving them away for free to the lucky person who subscribed to my channel. And you can see all my birds is really show birds. So I will be giving you a pair of, so that to be said, like, share, subscribe, and keep watching the channel. And once I get to 1,000 subscribed on my channel, I will be giving away 2 birds, a cock and a hen, and it will be my bloodline. Hopefully, if the pairs that I have pairing up and is successful of breeding, then I will be giving away 2 birds. So like, share, subscribe to the channel, and God bless. Have a wonderful day. It's cold out there, so please take good care of your birds if you do have birds. Like, share, and subscribe once again. God bless.